Have you met Jack from our last video?
Hey everybody, this is Jack, your new YouTube presenter here at Vimerse.
Nice guy, huh? The only problem is that he's not real. Hey everybody, this is Iago from Vimerse. We offer professional video editing service, so check out our website in the description below for additional info. Can you believe Jack is not real? Yeah, I know, it's a bit scary. Jack is an AI created by this software company called Synthesia. Actually created by me, but using the Synthesia software. Synthesia is an AI software that allows you to create videos from a script. So how does it work? You create a script about any subject you like and paste it inside Synthesia. You can also upload your voice if you want more realistic results. But I gotta say, Synthesia does an amazing job just with your script. Next, you choose an avatar. Synthesia has different genders, ages and colors for avatars. They have even Santa. Next, you can choose which voice the avatar will have. Not only you can choose between more than 60 different languages, but you can also choose their accent and their intonation. You can choose between expressive, natural and professional, among others. The one that best worked for me was the thoughtful, but you can test them all and see which one works better for you. Now, an important step to make your video sound better is to go through your script and listen to how the AI will pronounce each sentence. The AI doesn't know the timing, so you have to use a lot of space where you want a more dramatic pause. And also use commas between words you want the AI to give emphasis. Leave a like in this video if you found this pro tip helpful. Let's move on. You can also choose a circle for your avatar and a different background. If you plan to edit this video in a professional software, I recommend you to use a green screen background, because then you have more room to work with your video. If you don't plan to do that, you can use a video or upload your custom background. You can also add text, shapes and background music to your video. And after that, just click generate video and you are done. It will take several minutes to the video to be generated. Now that we know how to create our video, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of using a service like Synthesia. Starting with the voice of AI. It's unbelievable good. Definitely better than my English. I'd say one of the best ways to use Synthesia and the power of AI is just to use for voiceover. It's not as robotic as Google Translate, for example. And you can create videos only using the voice that the AI will generate. Number 2, the avatars are based on real people, which makes the AI very realistic. The language support and accent are a good selling point. I can even make videos in Portuguese if I want.
Oi, eu sou o Iago. Prazer em te conhecer.
For tutorials where you don't need or don't want to show your face, Synthesia is a great option. Now, diving deep into the negatives, one thing that bothered me was the lack of young avatars. I don't know if it's because young people like to record video, but they just don't offer young avatars. You have mostly avatars between 30 and 50-year-old. And they have Santa. Where would I use Santa?
You can use me to send the good news, which is that you can create your own avatars.
But that comes with a price. And a very expensive one, $1,000 per year. It's nice to know I have this option, but I will not be using this anytime soon. AI doesn't know when to smile. Sometimes it's a serious sentence and they are smiling, and sometimes not. It's just strange. Pauses and intonations like no or yes. They just don't know how to do it, so it sounds more like no, yes, with zero intonation. Their arms doesn't move, so it looks more like just a floating head, when a normal human would gesticulate more with arms. I'm from an Italian family, so you see that I gesticulate a lot more with my arms than I need. But what are we expecting? It's an AI. It's not real, so overall I think it's doing more than it should for us. Here are some good uses of this software. As I said, tutorials channel may benefit a lot from this software. If you have a company and you need a video for your employees, this is a great solution. Also for voiceover, I can picture myself using AI to do the voiceover instead of me needing to hire someone to do that for me. For $30 a month, you can create one video up to 10 minutes long. It may sound expensive, but if you compare to how much money and time you would be expending to create a video, this will be a great option. Just imagine you have to buy camera, microphone, lights. You need to learn how to talk to the camera and just combine everything together. Whereas with Synthesia you have great image quality, great audio, and just overall great video presenters. Overall, I see a great future for the video content creator world, where we can use the power of AI to help us to create more videos. But in my opinion, AI is still not capable of replacing humans in this area, because humans connect with another humans, and emotions is something that AI still can't replicate. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe as well to not miss out in our new videos. I think this is all for today, folks, and I will catch you in our next video. Ciao, ciao!